If your child is scoring 90% or above, you may think career choice will be very easy. Actually, this is where another kind of confusion starts. What is there to worry about? They can choose anything. Exactly. They can choose anything. And sometimes that's the problem. Should they take PCM, PCB, commerce? Should they prepare for engineering, medicine, law, design, economics, so on? So there are multiple choices for you. A high score tells you a student can perform academically, but it doesn't automatically tells us where they will thrive. And when a student is good at multiple subjects, choosing purely based on marks can become even more difficult. So don't ask only which subject has the highest mark. Look deeper. What energizes your child? What comes naturally to them? What kind of problems do they enjoy solving? Where do their abilities and interest meet? High marks can open many doors. Self awareness helps your child know which door to enter. Share this with a parent of a high performing teenager and follow Shine Careers for more guidance on making informed career decisions.